what does it mean if your case is actively being reviewed? You might think that the government, USCIS, is actually reviewing a case, and we sure hope so. And we actually did not believe that they were doing that in the past, okay, before 2023. But I certainly have changed my mind on this, okay? And here's why. The 2023 trend with USCIS, now this is if the scenario if it is adjustment of status in a marriage-based case, that they actually are reviewing a case. I know it's crazy, and we'll go to the details. Welcome to greencardguys.tv. You need to know this. Do not give up on your legal status. Many people fail to respond to RFE or file an application before the deadline. This is why we offer a strategy session for 15 minutes at no cost to you. Not everyone qualifies. First, you need to speak with our CARES team. We receive many requests, so we recommend you answer a few questions on our website, greencardguys.com. Our mission is to help people live and work in America legally. Go ahead and subscribe below and follow and share. Talk to you soon. Let's get back to the topic of the day. What does it mean if my case is being actively reviewed? Okay, again, before 2023, it didn't really mean much. It just kind of, I'll just go to the next step. But it didn't mean, okay, next month your case will receive a decision or an interview. But now, a 2023 trend with USCIS, if this is an adjustment of status case, for example, based on marriage to a U.S. citizen, our average processing time right now from filing to getting a decision without an interview is on average 3 months right now. 3 months. It's insane. Literally insane. It's never been like this. If it was maybe with President George W. Bush, but I highly doubt that. So, but I credit our team in our process with a proven checklist so that we can, first of all, file a case in a timely manner. Now, the timely manner, we do offer usually 3 different service plans, okay? You can call it like a membership plan, but if it's a max plan, we file your case in 30 days. If it's a pro plan, 60 days. Or if you need a little bit more time, then to gather evidence, then we say 90 days. And even if you sign up, for example, on a light plan for 90 days, that doesn't mean we'll hold your case until the 90th day to file it. It's just more so like if you know it's going to take you more time and you don't need as many services than like pro or max plan, that's okay. We offer that, but we're not going to hold your file if you gave us everything, okay? Like if it's ready by the 60th day, but you signed up for 90, we're going to file it by the 60th day. All right, so that kind of give you an idea. But some people need more time because maybe need to get a bank account, shared bank account, for example. Some people have difficulties. Sometimes the bank give them a hard time if the other person doesn't have, valid identification at the time. If you want more, if you have questions about like which bank might be better, you got to send us a DM because I don't want it to seem like we're promoting or being sponsored by a bank. But yeah, in general about case updates, people ask, I've gone on the USCIS.gov website. Is the status accurate, or what am I going to expect after this? We can tell you more precisely in 2023 what's going to happen than years past. But in general, if they say like your case is actively being reviewed, that's a bit too broad. But another contrast example is, let's say they received your request for evidence package. For us, lately, especially the past 5 months at least, if they ask for RFE, typically most time it's for the medical exam, and they've approved it when they received the file. I've tracked the last few. Okay, our team has. USCIS has approved the case the same day or the next day, which is pretty amazing. Okay, but when it comes down to, of course, like more like not the medical exam results, but marriage evidence, that will take them more time inherently because it's more documents to review. All right, so that kind of give you an idea. But yeah, years past, it would not be that quick. But these days, 2023, is because they're waiving interviews. Okay. Despite what I say, I've shared with that, and other attorneys are talking about waiving interviews. It's not going to happen for everyone. Inherently, it's not going to happen for everyone. The U.S. government, believe it or not, if you didn't know this already, they discriminate cases. And then when they discriminate cases, it may appear they're discriminating people. I don't want to call it based on color, but I can say they do have certain red flags based on the country of nationality. Okay, because when people have experience with certain cases, I mean, not just people, but like client. I mean, the you interviewing officer reviewing the, or just now it's not really interviewing officer usually, but the officer reviewing your case, they see these trends from people from certain countries, and I really don't want to call out a certain country like this, but I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and say it because we get a lot of calls from people from Nigeria. So Nigerians, y'all getting maybe bad advice from your uncle or auntie. I really don't want to call it bad lawyers, but if you start to get a feeling like your lawyer could be bad, not so good, yeah, you might want to talk to another one, okay? Just to get at least a second, third, fifth opinion. We law firms, we, at least for us, we really try our best. I know a lot of great lawyers. This is just me being brutally honest, okay? Vulnerable here is that we really try our best. We use at least our law firm, we use technology to make things faster, so we can file cases sooner, get up to speed with clients, update clients more timely. I think we do a pretty good job, but sometimes we might miss the boat. Okay. I'm not saying that we make legal mistakes. Fortunately, no. But there can be times we might be a little bit slower to update a client, but we really have been doing pretty good, like updating clients within the hour. Funny thing is that usually clients don't answer the phone or they don't reply to emails. And then when so anyways, so I just feel like sometimes when we're so on top of it, then we don't get reciprocal responses, which is okay. I mean, y'all at work, I get it. But anyways, not anyone's perfect, but we certainly try our best. And so you're welcome to check out our over 200 5-star reviews on Google. We have 2 different locations, one in Dallas and in Houston right now. So check those out. You got to make sure that the attorney you're watching a live show for advice, information at no cost to you, even though it's free. You want to make sure that we're legit, okay? That we're a credible source. And every time at least on YouTube and Facebook, I can share my screen. I always want to share it so that you know the source that I get the information from. And immigration agencies in America, it's not always black and white, so I don't always have the source, but whenever I can find it, especially if it's like Congress, a proposed bill, a proposed law, that I like to share the information. Okay, folks, so have a great day. Take care now.